hot soup na medyo manamis-namis with a lot of vegetables and meats. Ito siya, sukiyaki. Let's start cooking. The first thing you do is to make your broth. Hindi na tayo gagawa ng broth from scratch. Pwede na kayong bumili ng dashi or dashida powder from the Japanese or Korean store. So, ito na siya, diluted in water. I'm just adding a bit more water here. Yan lang siya. And a bit of soy sauce, mirin, and rice wine. Yan. And a bit of sugar. So, yung sugar is optional, no? Some people like it sweet. Ito na yung ating broth, ating sabaw. And you can use beef or you can use pork. But today, I'm using pork. Meron akong mushroom. You can use fresh shitake mushrooms. Pero ito lang yung meron ako. I'm using king oyster mushrooms. Lagyan kong cut na pa-ekis-ekis. So, ito na rin yung aking pang-decorate, pang-garnish sa aking sabaw. And what will I do now? I will just sear my pork. Ito, it will add flavor to my broth. Some people also, pag restaurant, yung freshly cut na beef, lalagay nila over the hot broth. Ito, gagawin ko, medyo, I will just saute my pork a little bit, no? Para magkaroon ng konting oil or grease yung aking pan. And my mushrooms, I will just sear it to the side na may scoring. On the other side, ito, other ingredients, meron tayong tofu or tokwa. You can use firm, medium, or even soft. No? Some people like to use soft tofu sa kanilang sukiyaki. Yan, no? I will add my tofu on another side. Meron ako ditong carrots. Meron tayong dried shitake mushrooms for a very nice, rich, earthy flavor. Dried mushrooms are usually more flavorful than our fresh. Yan, no? Arrange tayo ng konti, ganyan. No? Meron tayong Enoki mushrooms. Meron tayong white onion. Just arrange everything, no? Our pechay, we're using Napa cabbage or tinatawag natin na Baguio pechay. Eto, maraming umami, ma-umami to na vegetable. So simple to do. Ang ating sotanghon noodles. And now, we will just add our broth. Yan. Add it to my soup. And halos, wala na siyang timpla-timpla because our soup is already very flavorful. Gonna add some chopped leeks. Cover it up. Pag medyo maluto na yung ating mga vegetables and all that, we will crack an egg in the middle. Simmer, simmer, simmer. Let the vegetables steam. Let's clean up. And it will be ready to serve. You can just put everything, no? So, sobrang dali lang. And our sukiyaki is done. The last thing you do to your sukiyaki is to add an egg. So, you add the egg at the very last minute, which I will do. Turn off our heat and add our egg. Dapat crack it in a separate bowl para alam natin na hindi bulok yung egg. And now, we add our egg in the middle of our sukiyaki. And I'm ready to enjoy my sukiyaki. A little bit of broth. Yan. Sarap niya, no? Tofu. Yan, I'll have some tofu. And mushrooms. Enoki mushrooms for me. Tikim-tikim blue. Tikim-tikim portion. Look at that. Ang ganda na aking soup. Very nice. Eto, pag ginawa mo to for your family, mapapa arigato sila sa sarap, di ba? Thank you! Sarap. So, eto na siya. This is a great idea for a Japanese-themed dinner for you and your family. Or if you have guests around, try it at home. Sukiyaki. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!